Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Arkansas City, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides fast, efficient, and reliable relocation services. We're the only movers in Arkansas City that are readily available to take total charge of your move regardless of how far you're moving. We can also deliver satisfactory results irrespective of how short your timeline is. We can achieve this easily because we have the right moving equipment, staff, and excellent work ethics. There are state and federal rules and regulating bodies in charge of long-distance moves. We work closely with these authorities and have done the necessary registration to move items over long distances. Your belongings are safe with us. We are cautious when handling and transporting your belongings, and our movers are careful when sorting and loading your items. And our trucks secure and accommodate your belongings. Our drivers also drive carefully and promptly. Local moves are also less than 50 miles from your current address. 3 Movers also provides the best local moves anywhere in Arkansas City, and we're familiar with all the routes in the city, so we know the best way to get to you. You're experiencing no form of delay or damage to your items when we are in charge of your move. We also have adequate insurance in place to cover risk during the move. Also, our local moves are very affordable. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Arkansas City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.